Guys, I follow every financial guru, every single one. Track my budget on a monthly basis, color code my expenses, and I've downloaded 5 money management apps. 5. And on the top of that, I've started investing regularly, stopped eating out unnecessarily, and wake up every day at 3 a.m. to manifest wealth with affirmations. But still, there is no money left in my bank account. Where does it all go? Dude, chill. Leave some oxygen for us also. Here, have some water. Listen, simple. You got all the financial knowledge you need, but your thinking is still running on poor mode. Hmm. Bro is absolutely right, simple. What you lack isn't information, it's transformation. You just don't need financial knowledge. What you need is rich mindset and to go along with it, rich habits. Exactly. You upgraded your phone 5 times in past 3 years, but not your thinking. What? Thinking software? Yeah, you need to install Think Rich operating system version 2.0. Simple. Rich people don't just earn more, they think differently. Their brains make wealth building decisions on autopilot because they have trained their habits to align with abundance. But why should I even become rich? Can't I just enjoy my life and spend how I want? Sure, you can, simple. But imagine waking up on a one random Wednesday in the future and saying, let's go to Goa instead of oh no office. Oh. Simple. Being rich isn't only about luxury, it's about freedom. Freedom from 9 to 5 job, freedom from middle class mindset, and importantly, freedom from your own financial bad habits keeping you broke. So, you guys are saying, if I think rich, I become rich? Exactly. Then what should I do, guys? Subscribe to Think Rich with Vishakh. Hi, friends. I'm Vishakh, the real one. So, what you just saw, that's what behavioral finance is all about. The science that explains why we make the money mistakes we do and how our emotions, habits, and thinking patterns secretly dictate our financial life. Here on Think Rich with Vishak, I will share research backed insights to help you understand your mind, master your money, and build financial habits that last longer. Because when you improve your relationship with finances, you just don't grow your wealth, you attain freedom.